Guys, if you're on a budget or you're a student like myself and you're looking for an affordable skincare routine that's just going to help brighten up and smoothen your skin, I'm going to be taking you step by step through a skincare routine that's actually helped me achieve this. Now, be rest assured that all the products that I'm going to be mentioning here are very well below 5,000 naira, but it might slightly differ depending on where you are staying. So without wasting much time, let's head into today's video. We're going to be starting off by cleansing off with this Ashanti papaya plus honey soap. It's actually a good product. I've talked about it on my channel, but it's also important that you understand how to use it, especially if you are using it for the very first time on your skin. Now, if you want to use this product on your skin, I'll advise that you start by using it 3 times a week and then work up to maybe 4 times, depending on how your skin can tolerate it. And if your skin can tolerate every single day, is good. But when you're starting to use this product, I would advise that you do not use it every single day, at least for the very first few weeks. And now this product has a very rough surface. The other part, I'm using it in the bathroom. I'm using this part to film. It has a rough surface. I don't know if you can see. So it has a rough surface, so I'm not going to be taking these products directly on my face. So it's important before you actually start your skincare routine or before you use your cleanser on your face that you wash your hands. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to make sure that my face is damp. I like making sure my face is damp before I apply any product on my face. That's just to reduce the concentration of whatever product that will reach my face, like to prevent it from causing any irritation of any sort. So like I already mentioned, this product has a rough surface, so it's not advisable to take it directly to your face, that it could cause tears, especially for people that have a really soft and sensitive skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly move on to wet my face, wash my hand, and we'll be back. So guys, as you can see, my face is damp up until my neck. It's important that whatever product you're using on your face, you also use it on your neck. Now this product is a good product, contains exfoliating ingredients, so it's important that as you're using this product, you have very, very hydrating ingredients in your skincare routine. Now I'm going to be taking the lather from this soap because I already mentioned that it has a rough surface, so I'm not going to take it directly to my face. I will take just the lather from the soap. So excuse me, trying to get the lather. I'm going to use it on my face. So guys, I'm going to go and properly wash my face, and I will be back shortly. I'm actually done with washing my face, and I let my face dry for a bit, and we're going to be moving on to the next step, which is a facial toner. But in today's video, I'm going to be using this Beauty Formulas Brightening Vitamin C Facial Tonic. If you've been following me on this channel, you know I've talked about this product a lot, and I've mentioned that it's good and it's actually value for your money because it's a product that lasts. So if you're on a budget, this product is a very good buy. That is one product I can safely say is value for your money, because you can see I've been using it for more than like a month, and look at it, there's still a lot left, and it's super affordable. I got mine for less than 5,000, and you can see how hydrated my skin is beginning to look already. You can see how my skin is beginning to look hydrated. I really, really love that product. If you're on a budget and you don't have money to buy the high-end facial toners, this product is actually good if your skin does not react to vitamin C. But it's also important to always do a patch test before you use skincare products. But I'll still continue to review affordable skincare products. So if you're at this point you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Join this beautiful community that we are building so that you do not miss out on reviews of affordable skincare products. Okay, so now the next product that we're going to be using in this skincare routine is this Face Facts Lactic Acid Serum. So it's an lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, and in this serum it's 3% lactic acid. Oh my goodness, I actually love this product. From the smell, it has a very nice smell, an amazing texture, and it works. Like in 3 to 4 weeks you're going to notice the changes on your skin. Now it helps to gently exfoliate the skin. Alpha hydroxy acids do that. So It's actually a product that you can use every day, but the trick or the twist is when you're starting out, it's advisable to use it like 2 to 4 times the very first few weeks, and then you start building up to see how much your skin can actually tolerate it. But in all, it's actually an amazing product, okay? So now, the next step conventionally would be to use a moisturizer in my skincare routine. But I decided to try out this Dr. Rachel sunscreen because I was trying to look for affordable skincare products that my girls, my skincare lovers can also use. And I decided to buy it because I saw some reviews about it, some really positive reviews about it. And I'm still going to be doing a detailed positive review about this product, so stick around, okay? But for now, this is the product we're going to be using in this routine. I've been using it for a while now. I think it's a really great product. It hasn't actually caused any skin irritation. So it's important that if you're using lactic acid and all these products in your skincare routine, that you have a very good sunscreen. Okay, you have a very good sunscreen. Now, this lactic acid, before I forget, it can be used every single day, morning or night. But I prefer to use it at night. But it doesn't matter, I can use it every single day. Okay? But like I said, when you're starting out, make sure that you remember to start with a few times during the first few weeks, and then you build up to see how your skin can tolerate it. So conventionally, the next step would have been to use a moisturizer, and I usually use Dr. Rachel moisturizer. It's a very good moisturizer. You can just find a good moisturizer that works with your skin. Because you are on a budget, that does not mean that you cannot take good care of your skin. You cannot make great products that hydrate and plump up your skin, okay? Because you are on a budget, that should not stop you from doing that. So you can already see that my skin already has started to look hydrated and moisturized. So I'm going to be using just very little of my moisturizer, very little, because it's super hot these days, and if you use too much you might end up sweating uncontrollably. And then this sunscreen is already hydrating, so you do not want so much of moisture on your skin. If not, you'll be feeling so uncomfortable. So now this sunscreen is a bit difficult to blend, I'm not going to lie, but it's a good product and it's hydrating. I wish I had a mirror to see so that I can see how it blends. Remember to spread products to your neck. It takes a little longer to blend than my it takes a little longer to blend than my other sunscreen. The problem is I can't even see if it has blended properly. But it has blended substantially. So using a moisturizer helps it blend easier or more easily. And then the direction is that you should reapply it every 2 hours. So anyways, if you want a more detailed review of any of these products, let me know in the comments. Are you going to try any of these products, or have you tried any of them? Let me also know in the comments. Let's interact in the comment section. So if you found this video helpful and you'll be trying any of these products or anything, let me know in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone you believe this video is going to be of helpful. And thank you for watching this video up until this point. I really hope this video was helpful and it's going to help someone out there, encourage someone out there to take good care of their skin regardless of their budget. Okay, so until the next time, see you in the next video. Bye.